Some people always seem lucky. They find money on the street, land dream jobs effortlessly, or win every game they play. But is luck real? Or is it just probability at work? Luck has been a mystery for centuries. Some cultures believe it's fate, while others see it as pure chance. But science tells a different story. Psychologist Richard Wiseman studied luck for over a decade. He found that lucky people share specific habits. They're more open to opportunities, optimistic, and resilient. In contrast, unlucky people tend to be more anxious, which makes them miss opportunities right in front of them. In one experiment, Wiseman gave people a newspaper and asked them to count the photos inside. The lucky people noticed a huge message on page 2 saying, "Stop counting. There are 43 photos in this paper." The unlucky ones missed it completely. So, luck might not be magic. It's about how we think and act. But what about gambling, lotteries, or surviving impossible odds? That's where probability comes in. Many things that feel lucky are just mathematical probabilities playing out. For example, if you meet someone with your exact birthday, it feels like fate. But statistically, it's not that rare. Winning the lottery? The odds of hitting the jackpot are about 1 in 292 million. But because millions of people play, it's almost inevitable that someone will win. They aren't special or destined. They just happen to be the 1 in 292 million. Here's the good news. You can actually make yourself luckier, not by superstition, but by behavior. 1. Be open to new experiences. Lucky people try new things, talk to strangers, and take risks, increasing their chances of good fortune. 2. Develop a positive mindset. Studies show optimistic people see more opportunities, even in bad situations. 3. Follow your intuition. Your gut feeling is often based on subconscious cues your brain picks up. 4. Keep going, despite failure. Thomas Edison failed 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. Unlucky people quit early. Lucky ones keep going. So, is luck real? Not in the way you think. It's not magic. It's a mix of probability, psychology, and opportunity. You can't control chance, but you can control how you react to it. So maybe luck isn't something that happens to you. Maybe it's something you create. What do you think? Can luck be controlled, or is it all just random? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more mind-blowing insights, hit subscribe for more.